The national correspondent for the Tablet and Crux, Christopher White, has been reporting on the challenge to the cross since it started. He joins us now. Christopher, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Emily. Good to be back with you.
Now, today's decision marks the end of years back and forth on this case. What is the history?
Well, this case goes back to really 2015, and that's when it first started making its way through the appellate process. It's been heard by a number of judges, and so it's sort of fourth time being heard today, reaching the high court. And really, one of the things that's important to note here is that it was Governor Hogan in Maryland who really took this case forward and fought for the right for this, cross to stay put. He was the one championing this. It wasn't religious groups, so there was a broad coalition that had really formed, not a handful of religious people that were trying to fight for this.
Now, the court's ruling was quite strong and with a sizable majority. What was their main argument for letting the cross remain standing?
Yeah, it's rare. It was a 7-2 ruling, which is quite rare. I mean, we're used to these close, sort of narrow 5-4 rulings, and I think the 7-2 ruling kind of shows that the court felt very strongly that the cross should stay. Their main argument being that, and it's similar to that of the governor's, cross was a part of our history. This is a symbol of our community. It's not about enshrining a religious mandate or any sort of religious practice. It's representing a particular time and place that has value to us and not just religious individuals.
Now, Christopher, going forward, do you think we're likely to see similar challenges?
Yeah, these sort of cases crop up with some regularity. They tend to be driven by more hardline activist group that want a sort of strong separation between church and state.
Christopher, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Of course, great to be with you.